Hey there, it's Rep Mixon. So I decided to do my topic on climate action. So this is basically taking action on climate change. Throughout the years, we have definitely seen an increase in climate change. In fact, we're breaking records ever since the Industrial Revolution. And this being said, all that is due to human activity. So what we eat, how we transport, how we build, all this ties into it. So climate change is basically how the climate is getting warmer. Everything's getting warmer, and it's causing so much havoc. So the glaciers are melting, and I'll get back to that in a second, but the glaciers are melting. The water is getting warmer in the oceans, which is causing a lot of problems. The gases that we use with transportation and all that, it's getting stuck in the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide, which is from all the gases and stuff, is getting stuck in that atmosphere, causing the world to raise in temperature. So the raise in temperature in the ocean is what's really a big deal. I don't remember who it was, but I watched a little video on a guy talking about it, and he was saying if the temperature in the ocean raises 1.5 degrees Celsius to 2 degrees Celsius by 2100, then that's fine. It's not what we want, but it's fine. We can deal with it. But at this rate, we're already going to be to 1.5 degrees Celsius in the next 10 years. So that's what everybody's really worried about, and that's what's causing a big uproar right now, is how fast the climate change is happening. Not so much that it's happening, but how fast. So there's ways to slow it down, probably not stop it, but definitely to slow it down. The ways that I looked at were, I think there was 5, is industry, I don't remember all 5, but the foods you eat, they're saying eat less meat, something about the gases that are in the meat when it's like, or when you eat it or something like that, that gets put into the air. The industry part of it, of everything, there's not really, I don't really know exactly how they're planning on doing that. There are definitely more efficient ways to create less emissions, but everything that's being built and like all the equipment and rock and all that they need, they've just got to be able to create a more efficient way to do all that. And then transportation is a huge one too. We're already beginning to see a big change in that. Cars run by electricity instead of gas. People using bikes. I mean, that's the big, huge way that we're doing it right now, but that's only like a fifth of the problem. So we need to cut down in each part of these to truly be able to slow down the climate change. So all this is climate action. It's just taking action on the climate change and hopefully being able to slow it down, maybe even being able to stop it. But right now we're just trying to slow it down before it's too late, because if it keeps increasing like it is, we'll see more floods, more hurricanes, just all these terrible things that are happening to these people, to us, because of climate change.